China has just conducted its first intercontinental ballistic missile test in decades, launching a dummy warhead into the Pacific Ocean. This test, which flew over the northern Philippines, has caught the world's attention and raised significant concerns. China's defense ministry claims this launch was a routine part of their annual training, insisting it posed no threat to any specific country. However, the reactions tell a different story. The Philippines confirmed receiving navigational warnings but said nothing about an ICBM test. Japan and Taiwan weren't informed at all. Japan voiced its unease, and Taiwan detected increased missile activity but held back on specifics. Experts believe the missile likely originated from Hainan and landed near French Polynesia. This trajectory lines up with the Philippines' information and a warning issued for the area near the French territory. The warning emphasized the particularly dangerous nature of the operation. This test is a significant addition to China's military activity timeline. The implications of this test are far-reaching. China has a growing nuclear arsenal and military ambitions that are becoming harder to ignore. While they regularly conduct shorter-range missile tests, an ICBM launch is unusual. The last similar test was back in 1980 with the Dongfeng 5 missile. Analysts speculate this recent test involved either the Dongfeng 41, with a range of up to 15,000 kilometers, or the Dongfeng 31, with a range of up to 8,000 kilometers. The long trajectory and timing of this test suggest a deliberate message from China. This test coincides with heightened tensions with several countries and the UN General Assembly. It appears to be a display of power projection capabilities. China's People's Liberation Army rocket force is modernizing its nuclear forces even while claiming a no-first-use policy. This test clearly demonstrates the ongoing functionality of its strategic deterrent. The Pentagon predicts China will significantly increase its nuclear warheads by the end of the decade. This raises further concerns about regional and global security. Stay tuned for more updates on this developing story.